show you how you can change the ratio of height and width of your text in LibreOffice Writer. I mean, you can make the text wider or narrow. So let's start. At first, you will need to open your document, as I am doing here. Then select the text. Now right-click and go to Character. After this, select the Character option, and this will open up a new window. Now, go to Position and select Scale Width. Here, you will need to enter the percentage that you need. Remember, if you select the higher percentage, the text will be wider. And if you make the percentage less, then the text will be narrow. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.